Made and on up into Ross. They playing a lot of copyright music, so I will do like a voiceover and everything. So, yeah. Thanks for joining my video. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Made my way over here to the skincare area where I'm looking at some vitamin C and collagen face mask over here and another face mask. And then I'm also looking for some good body lotion. I came across some Vaseline Coconut Radiant body lotion right here. And this is a good size for $6.99. Ooh, how cute. Minnie Mouse Bubble Bobby Wash. It's cute. Backpack right here. It's really cute. Something that I would probably wear to work. I need to downsize on my backpacks. So maybe I should purchase another backpack. It's cute too. It kind of gives me like that Chanel vibe. Checking out some cool notebooks. This is my favorite section. And here's a marble notebook that says blessed, and I love the design and the gold that's in it. And here's also a polka dot gold and blue or turquoise notebook. Ooh, look at these vases. Now this is my kind of vase. This little ceramic one. It's really cute. I like pants like this, something chic. I made it into Marshall's, and yeah, I'm gonna see what they have. I guess you have to spend money to get a good body scrub. Because I tried the Dollar Tree body scrub, and no, it's just not happening. Ooh, so I'm just now leaving Marshall's. The customer service in there, I can say that they were very nice. So I guess I'll be coming back to this store location again. I like when people are nice because so far today I've been running into some not so happy or nice people. Or sometimes, somebody could be having a bad day, and they're really not like that. Now I just got to find this bus stop. Hey y'all, so I'm just leaving the Dollar Tree. I gotta go catch my bus. Hopefully, I can still use my bus pass. If not, then I'll have to pay for a bus pass. Wanna be close to you, ain't over you. I should do a Dollar Tree haul right now. So here in my Dollar Tree haul, I have Snaps mozzarella cheese sticks. And then I have La Sierra refried beans. Yummy. With tortilla chips, or if you make some rice, really good. And then I picked up some Baby Ruth minis. Some more stuff. Here I picked up some Snaps jalapeno poppers. I think these are really good. Then I picked up some Easter fun size Starburst. Because sometimes y'all Starburst is hard to find. And I like to fill up my candy jar in my living room. And then I picked up this Minnie Mouse puzzle because I want to do a puzzle. And I'm guessing the puzzle looks like this. And I thought it would be something fun to do a puzzle tonight. And this is Disney Junior Mini. Disney Junior Mini. You know, the cartoon. And it has 48 pieces, puzzle pieces. So I'm hoping it's pretty easy, if y'all can see. So this is what the puzzle looked like. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, I want to grab it. Thought it was cute. And then I picked up some summertime-ish stickers. I can use this in my planner and stuff, which is really cool. Reminds me of Florida. Can't wait to go and be there. So yeah, has like the little, I think this is a popsicle stick. Some sunscreen, a floater. It says summer right here. I don't know if y'all can see. An ice cream truck. So I thought this was really cute. Okay. And then I also picked up a good Pepsi for $1.25. You cannot beat that. A Pepsi. Okay. I don't really like soda pop like that, but it's good to have one. Okay. Then I found this Bic Gelocity pen. I love a good Bic Gelocity original pen, okay? And these pens will cost you like $5 at Target, like $4.89, something like that. But for $1.29, for $1.25, you can't beat that. I don't know where $1.29 came from. Maybe I'm nervous. I don't know. It says extra smooth gel pen. Okay. So I can't wait to try this in my journal tonight. And then I picked up some alkaline batteries, AAA, because I need some for my LED toilet light. And then I picked up some Jim Beam bourbon vanilla ground coffee, okay, to put in my coffee maker. So that's my little Dollar Tree haul. Hope y'all enjoyed. So yeah, I need to put this stuff up. So the puzzle, that can go up there. Yeah, and I'm gonna just fill up the jar. I have this True like coffee maker, and I filled the coffee cup up to like here and put the water up in here. And I don't understand why the coffee is not coming out like up to here. It's coming out like short. So I don't know. Good morning. Okay. This is an indoor patio chat this morning. Thought I'd come up on here, made my coffee. Y'all just saw that little clip. I don't understand why I fill this coffee cup halfway up. No, all the way up almost. Then I pour the water into my coffee maker and I get a half a cup of coffee. But then that's why I was thinking maybe it's for 2 cups of coffee. So, anywho, how are y'all doing? I hope you all are having a good day so far. If that day is not your good day, I understand. Okay? I understand. We all had those days, okay? So you're not alone, okay? I am going today to go pick up some clothing that I ordered. I picked the clothing up at 12:30 noon. So I'm gonna do that. And then I don't have anything else planned today. I took care of one appointment over the phone a while ago, and that was fabulous. I know I probably need to put on some eyeshadow or something. I put on some vitamin C serum mixed with Vaseline for my skin because this cold weather and the snow, the rain up here in these mountains be drying out my skin. And so I gotta stay moisturized. Okay. I was also thinking another thing too, y'all. I was thinking about going to another Dollar Tree, but I think I'm good on going to the Dollar Trees and doing Dollar Tree brows and stuff like that. Oh, my battery's low. I did not know my battery was low. I thought my phone was charged. I'm gonna have to charge my phone. I'm gonna have to come back on here later.